Alright, so I got this Tekin RS Pro that I got in the used deal. We were going to hook it up to this computer, boot it into Windows, and see, does it need a firmware update? Does it even work? I have not fixed any of the soldering yet. It's still super janky, but apparently it just gets powered off USB for doing the firmware updates. Should be enough to power it on and see if it works. Alright, so we're plugging in this ESC into the computer, see if it detects it. We got a light. Speed control contains older software. It needs to be updated. Oh, it automatically updates. It doesn't even tell you what version it's doing or anything. It's just...
It's going to do the latest.
It's going to do
7 through 7, I think.
Okay. Settings cannot be used. Oh, wonder what weird settings it had that it can't keep. Who knows? Just blinking. No, it's just solid. Enabled adjustments, disabled updates. Weird.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And this came up. RS Pro, current version 180, older version. Oh,
So,
weird. The numbers
yeah,
go
it's
down.
It's current is that, then you can pick one of these two.
Oh, it can.
So you want
go
the
up
latest
I
or not?
guess. Sure, might as well do the latest. So that was just getting into a state where it could take an update.
Yeah.
Now it's going to do factory defaults and then update the version 2.23.
You'd think it'd be flashing.
Yeah, you'd think.
Yeah,
Oh, this box. That's all right. We don't lose the connection. That's fine. Yeah, I thought maybe the ESC would be but it's through the Hotwire, which I don't own. So thank you for offering this. Update final stage. 65 seconds.
Probably my batteries because it's the same depth.
All the noise is breaking down the track. Shutting down. Okay, software update complete. Restoring default settings, saving settings. Settings saved.
Okay, to disconnect.
And here's all the default, here's all the settings, because I can't see this. So it's set up for brushless forward brake with reverse delay. It's got a voltage for 2S, dual drive. Then there's the profile, so I can check that out later. All right, I guess we're good. As long as there's nothing in there that seems like totally out of whack. Oh, it reset the default, so I'm fine with that. Forward brake with reverse delay. So it does have reverse on it. So that's fine. I'm okay with that.
It's easy to change all the settings with these two buttons.
Oh, you can just do it on the, you can do it on the ESC?
Yeah, when you don't have the, yeah, so you press mode, and then one light will light up out of all of those, and then you push this button to change the setting for that one.
Okay.
If you look in the manual,
Yeah,
like
I downloaded
number
the
one's
manual,
drag
so I'll
brake.
look it up. Yeah.
So you press mode, it shows highlights
Yeah.
one, and then you press increment up to set your drag brake.
All right, cool. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, sweet. Updated. Thanks, Lauren. Cool. So now I just got to fix it, and then I can tweak the settings, and it's already on the latest firmware. That's all.